Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have the 2018 Infiniti Q50 Luxe 2.0. So, this one here is the 2-liter. Almost 99.9% of Q50s I see are the 3.0. This one, 2.0T. So this one is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, made it to the 7-speed automatic. .0T, 206 horsepower, right about, and 258 pound-feet of torque, I believe. So more torque than horsepower. I haven't even driven this car before this. So I'm very curious to see how it performs. Obviously, tons of experience with the 3-liter. Not much with the 2. What's funny is I always talk about filming rare cars that you don't see. This is one of them. You know, every Q50 has a 3.0. You can't get a 2.0 anymore, I don't believe. Or I do believe. I don't think you can, because I've never seen one. Speaking of rare cars, Chrysler Crossfire. That looks to be the... No, it's not the SRT. I've always been interested by those little things. I haven't heard much about them, but we're not reviewing a Crossfire, Jacob. We're reviewing a Q50. Come on, snap out of it. Dynamics-wise, drives basically the same as the 3-liter. A little bit down on power, not by much. Front end actually feels a little bit lighter than the 3.0, but the steering is also lighter, so it kind of counteracts itself. I'll say they drive basically the same except for the engine, because they are exactly the same except for the engine. Does it have the shove of the 3.0? No. Am I asking for a little bit more power? Yes. But honestly, it ain't bad. Honestly, I'm trying to think, and you guys in the comments might be able to help me. I'm trying to think what this 2 liter is from. Because it doesn't make the power of the VC, variable compression. Might be the one out of the QX30. That might be... I don't know, though. Because I think the QX30 makes more power than this. Either that or it's a lot lighter. Because it doesn't make sense that INFINITI developed their own 2.0T just for the Q50. It wouldn't make financial sense. So honestly, guys, I don't know what this 2 liter's from. Part of me wants to say it is, in fact, an in-house developed motor for this, but wouldn't make financial sense to do it that way, so I don't know. Although it does sound very similar to the one in the QX30, so I think that's what it's from. Oh, okay, there it is. Yeah, it does have a good amount of torque, honestly. I mean, if you haven't driven a 3.0 and you step into this, you'll be like, yeah, that makes sense for the car. Because the 3.0T honestly surprises you the first time you get it. And you're like, oh, I was not expecting that much power. So if you didn't drive the 3.0T and you stepped into this, expecting sports sedan, da-da-da-da-da, yeah, you would say, yep, okay, this makes sense. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.